Microsoft Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool that allows users to visualize and share insights from their data. Power BI apps bundle related dashboards, reports, and datasets, making them easy to distribute to an entire organization or specific users. This tutorial will guide you through developing an app using Power BI. Before you can develop an app in Power BI, you need data to visualize. Power BI supports various data sources such as Excel files, SQL databases, and cloud services like Azure and SharePoint. First, open Power BI Desktop. Then click on Get Data and choose the appropriate data source. Load the data by following the prompts to connect to your data source. Once your data is loaded, you can begin transforming and modeling it in Power BI. Now that your data is prepared, you can start building visualizations that will form the basis of your app. First, create a report. Use charts, graphs, tables, and other visualizations to present the data. You can drag fields from your dataset into the report canvas to create visuals. Use filters and slicers to allow interactive data exploration. Next, create a dashboard. Dashboards in Power BI combine visuals from different reports into a single, unified view. Pin the most important visuals from your reports to a dashboard by selecting them and clicking Pin to Dashboard. Step 3. Publish to Power BI Service. Once your reports and dashboards are complete, you need to publish them to Power BI Service. First, click on Publish in Power BI Desktop. Next, sign into your Power BI account and select a workspace. Finally, upload the content to Power BI Service, where you will finalize the app. Step 4. Create the app. In Power BI Service, navigate to the workspace where you published your content. Select Create, then App from the navigation pane. Add your reports and dashboards by selecting the ones you want to include in the app. You can organize content by sections and customize the order of appearance. Customize the app settings by providing a name and uploading a logo for your app. You can also customize the layout of your app by defining sections, setting default pages, and organizing content for easy navigation. Set permissions by choosing who can access your app. You can share it with specific people, groups, or the entire organization. Additionally, you can define whether users can copy or share the reports. Step 5. Publish and share the app. Once your app is ready, click on Publish App. A link will be generated that you can share with users. Your audience can now access the app via Power BI Service or Power BI Mobile. Conclusion. Developing an app with Power BI allows you to bundle multiple dashboards and reports into a seamless experience for end users. The process involves preparing your data, creating visualizations, publishing them to Power BI Service, and then assembling them into an app. Once published, Power BI apps provide a centralized, interactive platform for data exploration and decision-making.